Owning a home with a boat dock offers a fantastic opportunity to enjoy the stunning waterways and boating lifestyle that Southwest Florida has to offer. However, there are a few key points to be aware of before making such a significant investment. Let's explore them. Dock regulations and permits. Research local regulations and permits related to boat docks in the specific area that you're interested in. Some communities or waterfront areas might have restrictions or guidelines that dictate the size, design, and maintenance of boat docks. Water access and depth. Assess the water access and depth around the dock. Consider the size of your boat and ensure that the water depth is sufficient to accommodate your vessel, both at low and high tides. Dock maintenance and repairs. Understand the maintenance responsibilities and costs associated with owning a boat dock. Wooden docks may require periodic inspections, repairs, and resealing, while metal or composite docks may have a different maintenance requirement. Dock security and safety. Consider the security measures available to protect your boat and dock from theft or damage. Look for features like lighting, surveillance cameras, and security mirroring options. Dock amenities and utilities. Determine if the dock has essential amenities and utilities such as electricity, water hookups, and storage options. These conveniences can enhance your boating experience and make maintenance tasks more manageable. Dock accessibility and navigability. Assess the accessibility of the dock from your home and the navigability of the waterways leading to and from the dock. Consider factors such as bridges, clearance heights, and any potential obstacles that may affect your boating experience. Neighborhood and community considerations. Evaluate the overall neighborhood and community amenities that complement your boating lifestyle. Look for proximities to marinas, yacht clubs, restaurants, and other recreational facilities that align with your interests. Insurance and liability. Consult with your insurance agent to understand the insurance coverage and liability considerations that are associated with owning a home with a boat dock. This will help ensure that you have adequate protection for your property and boating activities. Buying a home with a boat dock in Southwest Florida can be an incredible investment for those who love boating and the waterfront lifestyle. However, it's essential to be well informed about all the factors we discussed to make an informed decision. Remember to thoroughly research local regulations, assets, the maintenance requirements, consider safety and security measures, and evaluate the overall convenience and accessibility of the boat dock. By doing so, you can ensure that your boating experience in Southwest Florida is everything you dreamed of. That wraps up today's video. I hope you found this information valuable and that it helps you navigate the process of buying a home with a boat dock here in Southwest Florida. If you enjoyed my content, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more real estate related videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.